I want to show you how easy it is to embed our brand personalities test directly into your own website. In fact, you don't even have to have it in your website when you have our license. Now, this is for the wizard and the alchemist. You can completely white label the experience for your customer. So let's have a look when we dive in. Once you've signed up, you will be taken to your Spellbook dashboard. And this is where you'll be able to run everything to do with your brand magic license. But where we're going to start is under the command center, and we're going to head to embed. Now, in this area, you can completely customize the entire experience to your brand. So we can change colors. I'll grab a few colors here. We can change the color of buttons, and you can also upload your logo. And I am choosing a logo here that is reversed out because I would like it to appear on my banner. In this particular area here, the website that we would like this to go onto is called Brand Personalities. If you want to put the name of your business, that's the kind of thing that I would put in this area. So I'll put Brand Personalities, and I'll show you where this appears and makes it super easy that you don't need to add anything else to your website. Now, with this next section, with the intro screen options, you'll be able to have your own intro page where you will be able to put your own YouTube video in this particular section here. Or if you'd prefer not to have a video and the 5 tips that we have, you can turn this entire area off. It's up to you. You can also hide the header banner when it appears in your website. So you can either turn it on or you can turn it off. I would suggest if you are going to embed this in your website, keep it off. So I am going to add the YouTube video here. I'm going to save settings because I want to show you how this then looks. So once we come over to our links and QR code, this is now the URL that you can use. Remember how I put in brand personalities? If we open this in a new tab, you will see that we now have our custom color in our banner. We have the custom color appearing throughout, and then our buttons have the color that we've put in there. And in this section here, you will see the video and the tips. Now, if I change this, I'm just going to go back to the embedded section and I'm going to turn this off. I don't want to have that on. I'm going to save my settings. And if I come back to the QR code and we have a look at this, now you will see we go straight into the test without the 5 tips or the video there either. So that is entirely up to you how you would like to make it work for you. We then have a QR code that you can then simply download, add that to any of your marketing material, and off you go. The other thing that we have for the Wizard subscription only is a call to action button. And this is once someone has finished taking the test, you can then have a call to action. In this case, it's book a 15-minute call with Debbie. And we've added my link to my calendar for people to book. And we can even customize the button there as well. We can always have a look at the preview section down here to make sure that we are completely happy with how everything is looking. Now, all of that can be done and you have access to all of that without having to go to your website at all. But what I want to show you now is how quick and easy it is once we've set all of this up to now embed it into your website. So the first thing we're going to do is come down to the embed code and we're going to copy this code. Now I've come to the back end of the website, which is a WordPress website. I'm simply going to add a new page that I will call demo. I'm going to make the default an elemental canvas because that is what I'm going to be using as my page builder. And when we go into Elementor, I'm simply going to look up code. I'm going to drag and drop HTML into my page, paste in the code that I've copied from my dashboard, and boom, there we have it. That is all you need to do. You simply go publish, and that is then the page that you use to direct everyone to your test. It is that easy. It is that quick. It really does save you a huge amount of time, because who has time having to waste setting these things up?